Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a page number to your design in Canva. So if you want to make your projects or your design more organized, you can use page number on each of the canvas in here. And to add the page number, you can just go to the tags on the left panel, and there will be this dynamic tags section, and this is a brand new feature on Canva. So you can just tap on page numbers in here, and just like that, the page number will be automatically added to all of your pages. Here you can choose the format, numbers only, or page plus number, or page X of Y. So for example, I'm going to just use the last one. You can see it will be shown in here. And if you want to adjust the appearance and position, you can just click on apply properties to all pages to make it all the same. You can also change the font in here. For example, I'm going to change the font into this one and click on change all. You can also change the color, the size, and everything. So that's how you can add page numbers to your Canva design. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.